my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to export your Lovable code using GitHub. So guys, if you want to export your Lovable code using the GitHub, so guys, it is very easy. So how you can do it? First of all, this is your project. Now you simply click this drop down menu. After that, you simply go to the option of settings. In the settings guys, at the left side sidebar, there is an option called connectors. Here you check. Now you click the option of connectors. In the connectors, here you see that it shows our lot of connectors. Now you simply go and search the GitHub. Here you see the GitHub API, so you just click it. So here currently it shows sync my code. So looking to backup your app code with the GitHub. So you just click the option of sync my code and add the connections. Actually, I am already connect my application. So guys, here you see created by GitHub. This is my docs and this is my terms. So when you click it, so you need to create a account on GitHub. If you are already, so you just logged in and authorized your application to access, read and write of your Git. After give all the permissions, necessary permissions to the GitHub, then you connect it and then create the connections. Okay guys, when your connection is created, then guys you move to the another step, which is you simply check your file in your GitHub repository. So guys, I am already connected and here you see this is the fix flow ppts. So this is my project. Now I am go back, and when I go to my project, so guys, this is my project. Okay, ppt pro. Okay, so it's automatically set its name. Okay, now you simply click and open this. Currently it is private. Okay, now here you see fix flow ppt, and when I click on this drop down menu, just click here and here you see the option of download zip. Okay, so this is the way guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.